Hey everybody, Monica here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to replace the engine air filter in a 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the air filter in this 2014 Prius C. And procedures will be similar for a lot of Prius models from 2010 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. And if you're not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Park on a level surface and open the hood. You'll find the air filter housing at the front of the engine bay. The lid to the housing is secured by 2 clips. Disengage the clips and slip the lid out of the 2 tabs toward the back. Lift the lid up and take out the old filter from the housing. Clean out any leaves or debris from the inside. Set your new filter in place. Make sure its rubber seal is properly seated all the way around the edge of the housing. Put the lid back in place, slipping the 2 tabs back into their slots, and refasten the clips. Close the hood. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon!